Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, here again is a good news for you, that is for engineers. You can see today update is from HPCL, that is Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, and you all know अभी कल ही गेट स्कोर के थ्रू रिक्रूटमेंट आई है फ्रॉम द CIL. I have already made a video on that. अगर आपने वो नहीं देखी, just go and watch that. I have attached this link in my description box. Okay, so now coming to HPCL, you can see here no GATE score is required. First of all, I want to tell you, and after that no experience is required. Okay, so freshers are eligible और कोई experience भी नहीं required है, no GATE score. So if you are having BTech in that relevant branch, so you are eligible for this post. Now coming to vacancies, you can see application link is active from 23rd of June and it will active 22nd of July. Okay, so you can see there are so many vacancies in different branches. For the mechanical engineer 103 vacancy, electrical 42, instrumentation 30, civil 25, chemical 7 and information systems officer में 5 post is there, for which you can see age limit is 25 years and for which you must have only BTech in that relevant branch. Okay, so no experience is required and you can see जो इनका pay level that is in E2 grade. Okay, so coming to another thing, you can see also safety officer की भी post है, but for that you must also have with BTech a degree or diploma in industrial safety. Okay, so अगर आपके पास है तो आप उसको भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो. आप जिस रीजन में अप्लाई कर रहे हो वहाँ का आपको लैंग्वेज आना चाहिए. लाइक फॉर यूपी यू मस्ट नो हिंदी, फॉर तमिलनाडु यू मस्ट नो तमिल लैंग्वेज. ओके, एज यू कैन सी हियर इट इज़ मेंशन्ड. सो इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड यू कैन गो फॉर इट. इसकी एज लिमिट 27 ईयर्स रखी गई है. And coming to another thing, you can see fire and safety officer maybe you must have BTech in fire and fire safety. Okay, so and और भी वैकेंसीज है लाइक क्वालिटी कंट्रोल ऑफिसर, बट फॉर दैट यू मस्ट हैव एक्सपीरियंस. फ्रेशर्स के लिए दैट पोस्ट व्हाट आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. यू कैन सी नाउ कमिंग टू कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ब्रांचेस. फॉर मैकेनिकल एंड प्रोडक्शन इज ऑल्सो अलाउड. फॉर इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड ट्रिपल इज ऑल्सो अलाउड. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन, यू कैन सी इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन में इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन कंट्रोल, EI and instrumentation electronics is also there. Okay, now for civil you can see civil, and chemical में you can see that is combination of allowed here. For IT that is CS and IT both are eligible. Okay, so you can see under E2 grade what the pay scale is, that is 50,000 to 1,60,000 approx. You are going to have 16.26 lakh की CTC होने वाली है. So this is a very good CTC they are providing. HPCL is a very good PSU, you know, महारत्न कैटेगरी के हैं. So they provide very good facilities also. And इनका last year भी same था without gate, and whatever I will be having इनका previous paper of the different branches I will upload in my Telegram channel. You can go there and join that. Okay, and let me tell you one more thing. SC, ST, PWD candidates are having no application fees, as you can see, and for unreserved OBC, EWS candidates have to pay 1180 rupees, that is 1000 fees and 180 rupees GST. Okay, so this is the thing, and इनका application link 23rd of June से applicable होगा. I've already told you. So this was the update for today, and if you want more kind of technical job updates, then do connect with Technical Grow and do subscribe it. Okay, thank you guys.